morning everyone. So look what we have in the shop today here at Stone Speed Shop. Got Shug's Bronco coming in today for a 3-inch BDS coilover lift. Pretty excited to get this done. We're going to eventually get a bumper done on this for him with a winch. And he's also getting a pedal commander installed today. So big changes for Shug's rig. It'd be exciting to get this off the trail once this is all done. Anyway, we'll keep you posted, get some footage along the way, and show you the changes.
We have Ashley doing the big lift on Shug's Bronco, and they got full scope of media going on here. So this is getting a full Fox lift.
Fox and BDS.
Fox and BDS kit.
Fox, suspension, BDS,
Oh yeah, those are big control arms, nice. So yeah, big BDS upper control arms, Fox coilovers with the remote reservoirs. These are the tires that were on it already?
Yeah.
315, 70, 7, so basically the stock size.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm not sure what his plans are for tires and wheels yet, but I think he's going bigger. So it's getting the front bumper with winch and everything.
Yeah.
Nice. Here's the factory Bilstein or Bilstein. Everyone can argue about that in the comments if they want. I don't know. So, but anyway, they work really well. But he wants to do it right with the big lift and Fox stuff. Shug's Bronco all done. So today we did the winch kit. So he maintains his factory bumper and all that, and gets him a winch mounted down low. If you're thinking you're gonna get down into a mud hole and you might get stuck, you might wanna get that hook and bring it up to your bumper or something or whatnot, because it is a bit of a low mount. That's what he wanted, and I like it. I like how it's tucked away. It looks factory. He's running aftermarket tires and wheels, 35s. Now he has this BDS lift with the coilovers. So he's got the really nice Fox coilover with remote mount adjustable reservoirs. So the front, you don't see the reservoir much, but you do see those beefy new upper control arms. And in the rear, you really see the remote reservoir with the adjustment on the bottom. It's all tucked in there. And then there's your big Fox shock. So this thing should drive like a dream. Looking good. And it looks like you can get more lift out of this if you want. There's another couple inches of thread there. So I don't know if the rear has that. Oh yeah, there's definitely a couple more inches of thread on the rears as well. So you can probably adjust this lift and get some more height out of it if you really wanted to. So yeah, anyway, thanks Shug for the business. There's his website there. Check him out.